my channel. So today's video is going to be a green eye look that you can wear for St. Patty's Day. I won't be here for St. Patrick's Day. I'll be in New Orleans, but I kind of wanted to shoot this video for you guys. If you don't know what to do or what kind of greens or whatever, stuff like that, I always get stopped and asked, like, how do I blend? How do I get this color and blend it really well? So I just make it interesting green. So this is for you guys that have stopped me in person. And so you just come and click on here and see it. So this is what I came up with. Again, you don't have to go and buy every single product that I mentioned. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't have that, I don't have this, I only have this. You can make it work. It's just a kind of tutorial just to help you guys out and see what you have and just teach you some of the blending and all this other stuff. But this is what it came out with. I really like it and I hope you do too. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then keep on watching. It's gonna be just a green for St. Patty's Day. I'm gonna take out my Z palette. Most of these colors are M.A.C. Some of them are from Morphe and maybe one from ColourPop. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this really pretty, like, brownie, like mustardy yellow color. I kind of just want to put that in my crease. Sorry about that, I had a freaking phone call. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with this angle brush. I like this angle brush from Leche. It is their medium angled shading brush. That's all it says, medium. So, but I like the way the angle of it is for my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with that mustardy color, I guess. So this look is not gonna be anything like outrageous and crazy. It's just like a real bright green for St. Patty's Day. For St. Patrick's Day, I won't be here. I'll be in New Orleans. But I kind of wanted to do something like, you know, just green and subtle. But then I'll have another look for you guys for like really like out there, like glitter, shamrock, and all that other stuff for you guys. But today I'm just gonna go in just with the plain green. I'm gonna use the same brush because to me I feel like when you have like a lighter color and then you want to add another color underneath, it just gives it a little extra dimension. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. That is another color by M.A.C. I don't know the name, but I will put it in the description. Anyway, I'm gonna pick up that, like, it's like a holographic green is what I want to call it, because it has like different specks of like green, aqua, gold, and I'm just gonna apply that right underneath it. I may have to do it couple of times because it is like a holographic kind of color. So I'm just gonna go underneath that and just give it that greenish holographic look. Next, I'm going to go in with this bright green right here, which is also by M.A.C. I'm just going to pick that up and put it on my lower lid. And I'm going in with the Walgreens brush right here. It doesn't really have a name on it, it's just, they had it on the packet. So it's just an eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to put that all on the lower lid. Shade right here, that for sure I know is from Morphe, and I'm just gonna go over here, but then I can just say just pick a shadow that's matte and closest to your skin tone. That's how I usually do this part. The eyes, but I always like to go back after I do this whole conceal part because I do like to put my liner and then finish what I need to do. So So I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, which I'm running out of. I love this concealer. It's like so nice and thick, and I really like the way it brightens it up. So I'm just gonna speed through this, guys. That's done. I'm gonna go in with my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. Again, I like to use this brush to set my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the M.A.C Patrick Star powder. Now this powder, I like to use it just to just to set everything that's in where I put the concealer at. I'm just gonna do that part. So I'm gonna go in with the Super Shadow Shock and Telepathy, and this really pretty color from ColourPop. I was drinking my freaking tea. I already like broken right there when I traveled to Miami. I was so mad. But anyway, I'm just gonna pick that up with my middle finger. I feel like these work so much better when you use your fingers rather than a brush. And I'm just gonna put this right in the center of your eyelid and just give it a little pop. And I'm just gonna go just in the center, and then do the same thing to the other one. I love the shade. This is the one that was with Kathleen Lights collab with ColourPop, and this is the shade that I picked up, the very first one from her collection, first time when she did it. Oh my god, it's just like so pretty. It's a beautiful color. I always talk about this. I'm going in with the Mellow eyeliner. This is a really nice eyeliner. This is from Mellow Cosmetics, and I just love this eyeliner. I just like the brush of it. Like, it's so not so stiff and not so flimsy. It's like the perfect combination. Now I need to do the other one, so I'll be right back. In with the Rommel nude eyeliner into 13. It says in the nude. I talk about this all the time. Like, nudes always like to open your eyes up. So that is what I'm going to do. And plus, I don't like to see our natural redness under here. So I just like the nude eyeliner. And I like eyeliners that are like this because any pencil actually like looks like a pencil. I hate those. And those are like really nice and jelly, or like real, you know, that kind of glides in really well. So that is that. Then I'm going to bronze the face. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty one. I always talk about this, nothing new, and it's just the stick. So I'm just gonna go from my temples down and then snatch this up because I need to do my nose. And then I kind of just put dots everywhere, and then cover this chin up. And I'm gonna forward this. Contouring palette and dulce de leche, and I'm going in with this one right here. I know I'm running out. I still have some. I haven't got rid of it because I have a whole new one, but I still have product in here, so why? I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. I haven't tried those. So that's all I'm doing, is just going over with what I contoured with. one. And this is what I use to set the rest of the face. So like the Patrick Star one, I use under here, here, and here, and here. And then the Airspun, which I really love, right on my big favorite foundation, brush from Walgreens. And I'm just going to set everything. I really like this powder. I'm very oily, so this powder like really helps to set everything. So that is what I'm doing. Blush, I just got this new one in. This is from Wet n Wild in pearlescent pink. I saw this and I was like, ooh, that is a very pretty color. So it's one of their color icons, and it's actually sealed, so I have not used this. So I'm gonna open this up, and it has a little bit of gold specks in it, but it's not too crazy, so hopefully it's not too like glitter. So I don't like too much. I don't really like glitter, because if you have like so much texture, kind of just emphasizes that, and I really don't like that, but we'll see. This seems like a really pretty color though, so we're gonna see how. I like their blushes. Oh, it's a pretty color after all. And I have another video coming up for you guys, because I leave Thursday and I need to pack, and I don't like waiting the last minute in case I need something. So I'm gonna be probably packing pretty soon, if not Sunday, Monday. And I'm going to do a video of, so that way y'all can see like what I'm packing, what I'm taking, and whatnot. And then my makeup, because makeup is important. I don't want to forget something. So I really like this blush so far. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some color here, because I feel that I need something going on down here. Because now it's on right. But you know, in with the Kat Von D darker green for the bottom part. It's a beautiful like metallic green. It's in Iggy. Drop it, April. Drop it. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Kat Von D brush, the shading brush, but I have something like a lip. There you go. And I'm just gonna put that in the bottom part of my lash line. Eyelashes, I'm wearing Ardell's. I think they're the ones that are the double lashes. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this shade right here, this white one. I really like that one because I like to top it off with the ColourPop one. So I'm just going to go ahead. And lately, to be honest, I haven't really been wearing highlight. I've been wearing like all matte. And I really like it, to be honest. Like, I think it looks really good. So I'm just going to put it right here on my nose. It bow, and then with my middle finger I like to go and do bridge of it. So that is that, and then I feel a hair, and then I like to top it off. ColourPop one. This is in Honeymoon. It's a cheek one. It kind of has like a little slash right there, but I really like this, and it gives it like a greenish blue tint. I think it's more like a blue, but I really like this. There we go. The Fenty Beauty one in Trophy Wife. This is like this really pretty gold highlight. I really love it, but today I'm gonna use it as my inner. Give it a little pop. Gold. And there we go. Or anything, you can go with the nude if you want to. You can go with this really nice Jeffree Star I'm Shook with the collab with Manny. Then I also like the Miley Cyrus Viva Glam, like a reddish orange. If you don't have this one, then you can use the ColourPop Kathleen Lights ones. I think it works really well, which is this one right here. I don't know, I always like to go with like a red orange with this look, but today I think I'm going to go in with something different. This is from Tarte, and this is the lip paint in Vibin. I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, we're going to try this and see how I like it. You can go with any kind of lipstick, but I think today I'm going to go in with this one. I haven't used it in a while, and it's already like drying up, so. Looks. I can talk. So I'm going to go back with my Milani and just set everything up. And that is my look for St. Patrick's Day. This is a really pretty green, guys. I really hope you guys like this. I actually love the way this comes out. I don't know if I ever used this look before. I mean, I've used it. I don't know if I ever filmed this look before. So if I have, it's new products, I guess, because I haven't used like the whole like contour and all this other new stuff. But anyway, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I gotta do my hair, get dressed, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that's it. I got dressed. I know I'm wearing blue. I'm just going to pick up the girls real quick, come back, and then wear something green. I'm just like in a hurry. But anyway, this is the color. This is what I came out for St. Patty's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to... My mind just went blank. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my